Hi everyone, welcome back to BJ Express Cooking. I'm going to show you today how to do your chicken toes, how to get these fingers off. You call it the chicken feet. This is our chicken feet, but you cannot cook with this on. It's not good for you to cook with this on, because imagine you swallowing this and it scrapes your throat. All right, so I'm going to show you how to get it off. First, there is you have your sharp knife, and a cutting board. Don't do it on the counter because you might use a knife to cut the chicken toes off and it cuts the countertop. All right, so as you know, chicken, we have our joints right on our fingers, so they do also have it. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna find that joint. It's right here. You press hard down and slide. That's why it's good to have a sharp enough knife. Press on hard and slide. If your knife is dull and you won't be able to do it, you can just easily take your time to until it's off. But if you have a sharp knife, all you have to do is just find it. It doesn't matter what finger you start with. But I like to start with the middle finger because I mean it's kind of comfortable that way. So, all right, let me start with another finger. This is a joint. I place the knife on the joint of the toe and then I slide down, off, press down, off. It doesn't matter if you place it this way or this way, whatever comfortable is for you. Why I place it on this here side? Because I can see the joint. I can know where I'm putting my knife. Just like that. Okay guys, so let me show you again. Find the joint, press down, cut away. Find the joint of the finger, the toes, cut away. If you turn it on this side, it doesn't matter. As long as you know where it's comfortable for you to cut it, cut away. Okay, it doesn't matter what finger you start with. Right, so there you have it, your chicken toes ready to cook. You can cook this curry, chicken feet, soup, stew peas, whatever way you want to cook it. All right, thanks for watching.